Good morning, children. See, now we are going to see comparison of fractions. So, comparison of like fractions we have already studied, isn't it? Today we are going to see about comparison of fractions with like numerator and unlike denominators. That is, this is unlike fraction. But in unlike fraction, like numerator and unlike denominators, we are going to compare. See the example. 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. Which is greater? Let us see with an example, okay? See here, a whole is divided into 5 equal parts and the same whole is divided into 7 equal parts. And see the numerator, it is 3, isn't it? So 3 parts alone shaded among the 5 and among the 7. See, which is greater? See the figure, 3 by 5 is greater, isn't it? So, by seeing this, we can know that 3 by 5 is greater. So, the wide open mouth should be towards 3 by 5. See, if the denominator is small, then that fraction is greater. And the larger denominator becomes the smaller one. Sorry, clear? When you compare like unlike fraction with like numerator and unlike denominators, with like numerators and unlike denominators. Denominators are different here. So are you clear about like numerator and unlike denominators? See, let us see another example. See this example, 2 by 9 and 2 by 3. So I already said the denominator, which is smaller, is the biggest fraction, isn't it? Let us check with the next figure. See, first one is 2 by 9. So out of 9, 2 is shaded. Here out of 3, 2 is shaded. So which one is greater? 2 by 3, isn't it? So we already said that the denominator, which is smaller, that fraction is greater. Sorry, clear? So it's very simple to compare like numerators and unlike denominators. So if it is like numerator means you have to check the denominator. So which denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. In otherwise what we call the denominator which is greater, that fraction is smaller. Are you clear? Now we are going to compare the fraction with unlike numerator and unlike denominator. See here example 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. See the denominators are different and the numerators also different. So let us check how to find the largest number. Okay. First step, we have to find LCM of the denominators. So we have to find the LCM for the denominators. Then second, we have to find equivalent fractions by using the LCM as denominator. So we are finding the denominator, isn't it? We have to find equivalent fraction for the given fractions by using LCM as denominators. Okay. Then you will get one equivalent fraction, isn't it? That fraction you have to compare. So we get the like fraction, isn't it? Why we are finding equivalent fraction means to get like fraction. So after that we have to compare the like fractions. Then you have to write the actual fraction. That is the given fraction. What is given? 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. Isn't it? Let us do it. So first we have to find LCM of 6 and 9 because the sum is 5 by 6 and 4 by 9, isn't it? So we have to find LCM for 6 and 9. So 3 into 2 into 3, because it does not have any common factors other than 1, so we can multiply. So what do you get? 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, isn't it? So 18 is the LCM. So we got LCM as 18, isn't it? So what's the second one? We have to find equivalent fraction, isn't it? So now we have to find equivalent fraction, isn't it? So what's the fraction given? 5 by 6, 5 by 6, then 4 by 9, isn't it? So we have to find equivalent fraction for this. So denominator is the LCM. We have to write the denominator as LCM. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction for this, isn't it? So how many times we get 18? 6 3s are, isn't it? So same number should be multiplied in the numerator also. So 5 3s are 15. Now 9 2s are 18, isn't it? So same thing, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 4 2s are 8. Now the third one. What's the third one? Compare the like fractions, isn't it? So what's the like fractions here? 15 by 18 and 8 by 18. So they are like fractions because the denominators are same, isn't it? So now we have to compare the like fraction 15 by 18 and 8 by 18. So which is greater? 15. If it is a like fraction, it is very easy to compare only the numerator, isn't it? So 15 is greater. Then the last step, what we have said, we have to find the actual fraction. We have to write the actual fraction. So actual fraction means what is 15 by 18, 5 by 6 and 8 by 18 is 4 by 9. That we have to write. Now we have to put the symbol. So which is greater? 5 by 6 is greater. So are you clear? So what are the steps involved? First, we have to find the LCM of 6 and 9. That is the denominator. First we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Then we have to find equivalent fraction using the LCM as denominator. Then we have to compare the like fractions, what we get. After that you have to write the actual fraction equivalent to that given fraction. So these are the steps involved in comparison of fractions with unlike fraction. Okay, that is unlike numerator and unlike denominators also. So first you have to find the LCM, then you have to find equivalent fraction using the LCM as denominator. Then you have to compare the like fraction what we got, and you have to write the actual fraction at last. That means what was the fraction given. Are you clear?